Hey you guys, I am finally back with another video. Firstly, I want to apologize for being so absent lately. My dog had a litter of puppies back in the beginning of March, so they have been taking up all of my time. Now today's video is going to be looking at a question that you guys have been asking me a lot lately. So the question is whether you can place a vinyl sign on a fabric backdrop cover, remove the cover, disassemble the frame, reassemble it at your venue, and then put the fabric backdrop cover back on without ruining the vinyl. So basically, you guys know that I use two types of frames. I have the one that you can get off of Amazon and sites like AliExpress, and then I use polyester covers over that. And then I also use the ones that you can get from sites like Lofar's Backdrop or ubackdrop.com has them as well. And those are a little bit more sturdy. The material is a little bit better in my opinion. And these also come with the covers that have the zipper at the bottom, which makes them fit really tight, and that is very important for a successful vinyl application. So I'm gonna test both of these out for you guys. We have the white cover from Lofar's Backdrop and then the pink cover here from AliExpress. I'm gonna start with the pink. We're gonna start off with the pink here. So the method that I use for these covers is my safety pin method to make sure that it fits really tight and that the vinyl stays on better. But as you're gonna see here in a minute, this was an absolute fail. I took the cover off after the party and reassembled it at home, but as you can see, the vinyl was already peeling off of the fabric. So for the frames where you have to use like the safety pin method at the bottom to make it really tight, I would not recommend taking it off and then reassembling. I kind of already had a feeling that the Lofar's Backdrop ones would do better just because the fit is just so super tight. So once you put that vinyl on there, it's not really gonna go anywhere when you take it off because there's not much stretch in the fabric. It's just fitted super well. So as you can see, this one definitely turned out better. I did have a little bit of lifts on the more thin parts of the vinyl, but I think that's something that you could just smooth out when you get to the venue. So yes, I hope that answers you guys' questions. Feel free to leave any more questions in the comment section below, and I hope that helps.